Welcome to the Virginia Military Institute, where extraordinary individuals like you find their true calling. Here, we are more than just a college. We are a leading senior military college built on strong values and a legacy that has shaped leaders for generations.
At VMI, we uphold the highest standards of honor, guided by our unwavering honor code. It's not just a set of rules, but a way of life, instilling integrity in everything we do.
We are united by the Brother Rat spirit, a bond that transcends friendship. Together, we face challenges head-on, pushing each other to become the best versions of ourselves.
VMI is no ordinary college. We create leaders who excel in both civilian professions and military service. About 55% of our graduates commission into the armed services, while the rest go on to graduate school or careers in the public or private sector. Our graduates carry the values of honor, excellence, self-discipline, courage, esprit de corps, selfless service, and resilience, forging a path of success in every endeavor they pursue.
Our rigorous academic programs foster a love for lifelong learning, challenging you to push boundaries and explore new frontiers of knowledge. So, are you ready to become part of something extraordinary? Join us at the Virginia Military Institute, where our commitment to excellence will shape you into a leader of character. VMI, never settle for ordinary.